Thank you. Thank you, Donato. Thank you all very much. And I appreciate Carrie putting in a good word for me to get this award. So I really want to salute all of you and the work you're doing. Technology is obviously a necessity to bringing health information to people who have no access, as you've heard already this evening, to any kind of healthcare information that could be life-saving in their case. But technology can also provide another venue, and that is for people who are suffering from mental illness, much like how Carrie was describing sexual minorities in Uganda. You know, the shame and stigma of having a mental illness is just so pervasive, not only in our own country where it has gotten better, but certainly around the world where it's even worse than it is here. And technology provides a way for people to gain access to some information that they would never otherwise may be comfortable in gaining access to. You know, we're about to go through a revolution with, you know, kind of all the kind of telepsychiatry and telemental health. Imagine if people could get a day or night access to a therapist, much like they could get Uber by pushing their Uber app on the way out, and know anywhere in this country, you know, they could get a therapist. They could align their diagnosis to the specialist who's delivering the care. They, the idea of healthcare without walls is particularly poignant for people with mental illnesses and addiction. So all I can say is that the paradigm shift that you're developing with Health eVillages is really a paradigm shift that can meld very well within your mission to treat the whole person that you're trying to reach, wherever they are in the world. And giving the empowerment, the voice to people who really need an opportunity to know where to go and how to improve their condition. That kind of empowerment is so powerful in an area where otherwise people are overwhelmed with the silence. And I think in mental illness and addiction, the silence is what ultimately needs to be broken if you're going to allow anything else in that can make a difference in people's lives. So I want to salute all of you who are developing this kind of technology. I want to salute Donato for taking his resources and applying it to a need, and to apply that need to folks who are so desperate for any kind of attention from anybody. And he made it in America. He made it as a success in every score. But as you can tell from hearing him, he's making it now in the ledger that matters most to him. And that is the ledger of caring for his fellow human being. And that is something that I think we all strive to do. And I think if we can get close to Donato, maybe a little bit of it might rub off on all of us. Thank you very much.